hit along the boards by Fedotenko on Moore. Richards lost it to Nate Thompson. Thompson gets it back to Matt Gilroy. Penalty upcoming. Fedotenko taken down. Penalty on the Lightning. I didn't see what happened here with Fedotenko not moving.
Dominic Moore heads to the penalty box. The Rangers had control of the puck. Richards, and then was taken away from him by Thompson. And oh, there's Moore. Oh, gets him right in the jaw with his right shoulder. I mean, that is a distinct hit to the head. Watch Moore lean into him. That's a bad hit. That's a cheap shot there from Dominic Moore. Because Fedotenko is defenseless. He doesn't see him coming, and Moore leaned right into him with his. I mean, that's a shoulder right to the jaw. That's a cheap shot by Dominic Moore. Normally he doesn't play like that, but that's one of those where you saw Fedotenko down on the ice. He's trying to get his head back together here. That's a difficult hit to take.
The call is 2 minutes for roughing.
There it is again. See, he doesn't see Moore coming the other way. He's looking to defend, and that's just a blindside hit. And Moore had the choice here, and that's what they'll look at. Moore had the choice as to how he wanted to do this, and he leaned right into him. I think, at least by my perspective, he looked like he leaned right into him and got him shoulder to the jaw.
They're wondering why, and John Tortorella is wondering why it's only a 2-minute penalty for roughing.
Right. And really, it wasn't a roughing penalty.
It was a hit to the head.
The roughing penalty is you usually use your fist or your glove, when you punch somebody.
So the Rangers get a power play.